Get him.
Look at him.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Wrestle him.
You let him go, he's just gonna jump right back in.
It stinks, dude.
Here, let me see it.
Let me see your finger.
Oh, he does stink.
Oh, come here, buddy.
Man, look at the mouth on that sucker.
Hello.
Look at his mouth. I'm gonna go let him go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it reeks.
Gotta go down.
What's your leg? Up. I hope you get to the phone. You're good. You're gonna want to well, it's not. Yeah, instead of we fall in, the fucking touches you. I have to go down first in case that shit caved up down there. I won't fling it. Fucking here,
Well, the pipe's caught.
it's going.
Slide, man.
Take up.
Oh, yeah.
up, right?
On top of the pipe?
I want it right underneath.
Okay.
How far is it?
There's the mark.
Yep.
Did you want the casing right here?
Hell yeah.
Well, and there may be some piles on 6 up there where you want that stuff. You might go look at it and see if it's good or not. But they're hauling today, I think, right now. But I don't know if they're going to get it all. If you can get it now, you know, if they're going to haul to you today, I know you're going to be hard pressed to put it down somewhere.
Yeah. Where the rig was.
It was like, bro, you got to get a picture of me. Snap one of them.
Where are those wire splices at?
I think they're all just on it. I think we left them there.
Look at old William.
Yup.
Well, press the red button, hoping it's working.
Oh, it probably is.
Look at him go. Yeah, literally. He would be the one the torque wrench blows on. It's at 95.
That's all of them. Is there one at the very bottom?
Check your far bottom on your left-hand side.
Yeah, I think I did. I just did that one.
Yeah, okay. How's your middle on your left-hand side? What if this line would have exploded?
Not exactly ideal. We'll get this end graveled in more.
Yeah, should be good, filler.
And then
They keep
we'll
them.
shift that end over.
Just want to check them all again.
That's eyeball to wind up. I'm scared to death.
Yeah, I know. I was looking at it too.
It's bad enough there's a repair somewhere in this somewhere.
Bonnie?
Money, dude.
Not us. You got a Sharpie? You want to get him a Sharpie so he can put his name on that? That way if it leaks. Or an inch and a half.